So a really cool thing about teaching these workshops all over the country is I get to meet amazing teachers at my workshops. And all of these teachers have been contributing to my flows, sometimes adding on to the flow or giving me fresh new ideas, which I love. So it's such a perk and such a bonus about what I do for a living is meeting these people. So this next flow was added onto by a friend of mine named Heidi. She is teaching out of Mississippi, and I really wish she'd move to Utah and teach at my studio because she came up with a great addition for one of my flows. So I'm on one red spring. I have my box on the rear part of the reformer, and I have it placed just far enough that when my knees are against the shoulder blocks that I can pull the reformer to it without hitting the box. So my knees are against the shoulder blocks. I'm going to round my back, drawing my belly to my spine. I'm going to take an inhale to prepare. And now exhale, I'm going to press. I'm drawing the belly in to press the knees forward. I'm going to do a few more like this. This flow is going to grow in difficulty. Now from here, I'm going to come up onto the balls of my feet like this. So my knees are still behind the shoulder blocks and I pull it in for 5. This is so hard. 4, this is a killer. 3, you cannot miss the core on this one. 2, and 1. Now I'm going to come down and I'm going to turn my knees to face the camera this way. Same thing. I'm going to cinch the rib cage to my hip bone right here, pulling, or pressing, I should say, pressing it under for 5. Definitely targeting those obliques and lats. 3, 2, and 1. And there you have it. Thanks, Heidi.